Write and count. Let's learn how to write and count numbers. This is number 19. This is how we write number 19. Let's count and color 19 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,